Hello guys, how are you all? Now look at her. My wonderful child is so busy and she's taking water from that tub and then she's going to pour that water sometimes to that bucket and sometimes she's going to spread out the water on the floor. But what can be said more? But you see, she is enjoying her play with water, and this kind of moments I like a lot in life. Wow, if you are so tired to care of your child, you can have a good idea to put one tub of water with one bucket as I have done here, and give just one glass with you can put here, and then you see that automatically child takes the glass, and then he or she can do whatever he or she likes, as my child is doing here. So this is wonderful idea that for a few minutes your child would be happy and you as well. So now let's wind up the video. That's all for today. Thank you.